The 2025 Volvo EX90 marks a significant step in the Swedish automaker's commitment to sustainability, safety, and advanced technology. As an all-electric SUV, the EX90 blends Volvo's legacy of craftsmanship and safety with the cutting-edge features expected from the future of mobility. This new model is expected to set a benchmark in the electric vehicle (EV) market, offering a clean driving experience, modern design, and a host of high-tech features that will appeal to both environmentally conscious drivers and those seeking luxury. At first glance, the 2025 Volvo EX90 exudes elegance and power, with a design that is unmistakably Volvo. The sleek and aerodynamic body is defined by clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic that defines Volvo's approach to automotive design. Its bold front grille features a signature illuminated Volvo badge, while the headlights utilize the latest in LED technology, providing excellent visibility while enhancing the vehicle's futuristic appearance. The wide stance and sculpted side panels give the EX90 a strong road presence, while the integrated roof rails and rear spoiler add to its practicality and sporty appeal. On the interior, the Volvo EX90 offers a refined cabin crafted with high-quality materials, sustainable textiles, and spacious seating for up to 7 passengers. The interior features a large, panoramic glass roof that allows light to flood the cabin, creating an open and airy environment. The minimalist dashboard houses a large, horizontally oriented touchscreen that controls most of the car's functions, from climate control to navigation, audio, and more. This touchscreen is powered by an advanced operating system, which has been developed in-house by Volvo to provide seamless integration with smartphones and smart home devices, along with real-time over-the-air updates. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 EX90 is its commitment to sustainability. Volvo has long been a leader in environmental initiatives, and the EX90 is a testament to this ongoing dedication. The EV is powered by a fully electric drivetrain that is both efficient and powerful, with the potential for a range of over 300 miles on a single charge. The battery itself is designed to last for many years, with Volvo offering a warranty to reassure customers of its longevity. Additionally, Volvo has committed to reducing the carbon footprint of the EX90's manufacturing process, using sustainable materials like recycled aluminum and plastic, as well as employing renewable energy sources in the production of the vehicle. The EX90 is also equipped with Volvo's latest safety technology, which is arguably one of the brand's most defining characteristics. The vehicle features an array of sensors, cameras, and radars that provide a 360-degree view of the surrounding environment. These systems enable advanced driver assistance features such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. In addition to these technologies, the EX90 is equipped with Volvo's new Pilot Assist system, which allows the car to take over certain driving functions, such as steering, acceleration, and braking, in specific circumstances, creating a more relaxed and enjoyable driving experience. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Volvo EX90 does not disappoint. The vehicle is powered by dual electric motors, one for each axle, which together produce a significant amount of horsepower and torque. This setup allows the EX90 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, offering brisk acceleration while still providing a smooth and quiet ride. The all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction, making the EX90 a capable vehicle in various driving conditions, from wet roads to snow-covered trails. The handling is precise, and the suspension system has been tuned for both comfort and performance, ensuring that the EX90 delivers a refined driving experience. Charging the EX90 is straightforward, with Volvo incorporating fast charging capabilities into the vehicle. The EX90 can be charged to 80% capacity in under 40 minutes when using a DC fast charger, meaning drivers won't have to wait long before getting back on the road. The vehicle is also compatible with standard home charging stations, offering flexibility for owners to charge overnight or while at work. One of the standout features of the Volvo EX90 is its intelligent connectivity. The car comes with a suite of advanced technologies designed to make the driving experience safer and more enjoyable. These include Volvo's Sensus infotainment system, which integrates seamlessly with popular services like Spotify, Google Assistant, and Apple CarPlay. The EX90 also features an advanced voice recognition system, allowing drivers to control various aspects of the vehicle, such as navigation and climate control, with simple voice commands. Over-the-air software updates mean that the vehicle can receive the latest features and improvements without the need for a visit to the dealership. For those looking for a more personalized experience, the EX90 offers a suite of customizable options. The cabin features ambient lighting, which can be adjusted to match the driver's mood, as well as a premium sound system for an immersive listening experience. The EX90 is also equipped with a variety of storage solutions, from large store pockets to an expansive trunk area, making it a highly practical choice for families and those who need extra cargo space. The second-row seats are also designed to slide and recline, allowing for a more comfortable ride, especially on long journeys. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Volvo EX90 is expected to be positioned as a premium electric SUV, with a price tag that reflects its advanced technology, safety features, and luxurious design. While the exact pricing will vary depending on the chosen configurations and optional features, it is likely to start in the mid-$70,000 range, making it a competitive option in the premium EV market. Given Volvo's reputation for safety, durability, and sustainability, the EX90 is expected to attract a wide range of customers who are seeking an eco-friendly vehicle without compromising on luxury or performance. The 2025 Volvo EX90 is more than just an electric SUV. It represents the future of Volvo and the broader automotive industry. With its combination of sustainability, cutting-edge technology, and world-class safety,